We're on our way to Target now in the lovely Tezzy. Let me show you guys. I'm bringing all my stuff, making sure I have everything. Look where Fabi is at. Out there in the Tezzy. Playing with the screen. You see my boy right here, Beanie. Say hi. What's up, buddy? I'm kind of hungry, but I think we're gonna get breakfast on the road. Woo! Say hi.
Hi.
You have a fire.
Welcome to your Tesla Uber. Guys,
What's up, man?
Bolo de cenoura.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Alright, so today's wedding day, and we just woke up, took a shower. I'm putting on this little hashy brown. Gotta raise this up a little bit. We're going hash browns, eggs. That'll be breakfast. Let me see if I can show you Fabi. Hey, mama. Nice mirror.
You know they have those like.
Let me walk her this way, and then all I see is Fabs on the right, just like with no sandals on. Jose's in the bush with like leaves coming out of his head because he fell in the bush.
That person, you know.
Yeah, it was tough. And then.
That's the way you need it, any way you want it. Yo. Mama, how'd you enjoy the trip?
Loved it. It was great.
What was your favorite part?
Besides the wedding, it was the Tesla. And seeing the family, seeing friends. It was all amazing.